wood-fired and charcoal-fired grills, how do I control the heat? On a gas grill, you just control it with a knob. But basically, a charcoal grill has knobs too. They're just in disguise a bit. There's two. There's one on top that controls the airflow, and there is one down here that controls the airflow. So if you want your grill to be hotter, make sure that these are open all the way up on top and all the way up on bottom. That gives you the most air, which creates the most amount of heat. As you want to lower the temperature, close the holes. The smaller the holes get, or all the way off, the temperature will go down with it. So that really gives you the ability to manage your heat from anywhere up to 650 or 700 degrees, all the way down to about 225 if you're doing a long, low and slow smoke. Another good tip when working a charcoal grill is I like to create two zones on my grills at all time. I always have the charcoal on one side and then almost nothing on the other. So I have a hot side where I could get that great searing, charring, which you really love from a grill. But then when I want to turn the grill into an oven, I move it over to the side of the grill that has no coals under it at all. I drop the lid down. Now I have an oven and I can control the heat of that oven with my two dials. So that's how you do it. It's just like a stovetop and an oven, guys. It's just the dials look a little bit different. Don't panic. It's no problem. See you soon.